Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a text box on Google Docs. My name is Joe, and if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe. So what is a text box? Basically, a text box allows you to insert text into your Google Docs within a confined area, and we are going to see how we can do that on Google Docs. So to insert a text box, what you need to do is to go to insert right here at the top of the screen. You can see it there. Then over your mouse to drawing and select new, right? So when you select new, you're going to have a panel like this that looks like a drawing board. So what you want to do on this drawing board is to put a text box. And how do you put a text box? You will find the text icon right here. As you can see, this T icon, that's the text icon that allows you to insert a text box into this drawing area. So we're going to click on this, and then it's going to put a text box on this particular canvas, right? So when you click on this, you use your mouse to click on the canvas, and then you have a text box. So I click text box, then I click on the canvas, and then I have a text box here. I can say welcome to my channel, please like and subscribe. Okay, so now we have a text box that says welcome to my channel, please like and subscribe, right? So now all you have to do is to click on the save and close button, and when you click on the save and close button, this text box will be inserted into your Google Docs. So I click on save and close, and we have it right here. This is a text box. As you can see, it is within a box of its own. All right, and as well, you can also format the content of the text box. For example, you can double click on it, and then it opens up the panel, and then you can highlight the text. You can change the font, right? You can change the font. You can delete the text. You can modify these, and then when you are done with your editing, you can click on save, and then your changes will reflect on your Google Docs. You can also use these tools here to align it. So I have some alignment tools here which you can use to modify your text box. So you can insert as many text boxes as you want on a Google document. So we can insert another one that says thank you for watching. So I go to insert, I go to drawing, and I click on new, and then I select text box, then I drop it on the canvas, and I say thank you for watching. Save and close, and then you have another text box ready. So when you click on the text box, you see an option to edit. This allows you to edit the content of the text box. So when I click on edit, I have my canvas again. This is my drawing canvas. I select the text, and then I can do any formatting I want with the text box. So right here, I added a border of 4 pixels to the text box. Then I can change it to dash. Now you have a nice design for your text box. Then you can change the font to accent, right? So I think you can change the border color to yellow. That doesn't look good. Let me change it to like red. Great. And then when I save and close, you have an updated text box on your Google Docs. So basically, that's how to add a text box to your Google Docs. So just to recap, it's pretty straightforward. Go to insert, select drawing, choose new, and then insert the text box to your Google Docs. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.